cell-free DNA serves as a critical biomarker for tumor detection, Vazyme Automated Extraction Solution delivers cfDNA efficiently and cleanly, with high throughput and high purity. Part of the solution, MagUltra Circulating Cell-Free DNA Isolation Kit ensures high purity cfDNA recovery from different samples with flexible volumes, non-toxic and free from harmful reagents, safer and easier. Vazyme's instrument enables fully automated extraction with an intuitive touchscreen and chamber door. Just 3 steps. Load samples into plates. Place the plates as instruction. Run to start the automated extraction. Handling 1 to 6 milliliter volumes across 24 samples in just 1 hour. It ensures reliable, repeatable results every time. From early cancer detection to minimal residual disease monitoring, the solution is fully compatible with qPCR and NGS workflows. Its validated performance shows high yield, low gDNA carryover, and efficient recovery. Elevate your cfDNA analysis with Vazyme Automated Extraction Solution. Get on board now and work your magic with Vazyme Automated Extraction Solution.